guys, it's a girl Radiance today, and today we're gonna do literally a couple of episodes of travel essentials that I will be taking, because next month I will be leaving and you guys will kind of figure out where I'm going, but I'm gonna do a video before I do tell you guys. But I'm just gonna show you what I'm taking, because I learned how to minimal everything, because I do tend to take like my whole entire vanity makeup thing, and that's a lot of makeup. But I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna put in my little travel bag, and I probably will pack it right now because I won't wear makeup for this whole entire month. I'm trying to, you know, go barefaced and stuff. So we're gonna start now. For palettes, I'm definitely gonna take my, for like eyeshadow palettes, I'm taking my two travel size best palettes that I like. I love these two palettes. I got this at a Allure little it was a Naked Tutorials Allure thing. I love it because it's the basic colors that I mostly use all the time. And then the Naked Heat palette, this is like a little travel size. I love using this palette so much. So these are my go-to, and they're so small. I really don't need anything that huge. This travel bag did come with two palettes. I do like it, but it's like they have different colors. I don't know, I'm debating if I should take these two. I probably think I am, because I do love these two colors right here, and I love these colors right here. Probably will take it, you know, in these. So these are from Ulta. Basically the whole bag is from Ulta. So I will be taking these 4 palettes. I just decided these little 4 palettes will be coming with me in my travel kit. Now, since this is July and it's so extremely hot, the thing that I will be taking for foundation is you already know, my Marc Jacobs and my Charlotte Tilbury tinted moisturizers. Well, I call this a tinted moisturizer, but it's like a little tinted foundation. I am going to be taking these two because these show a lot of like your pure skin, like your actual natural skin, without getting into coverage, and it's going to be extremely hot. So anybody got time to be sweating your makeup off. For highlighter, I got my 2 favorites so far, and this is not even in. Wow. It's basically the Ultra, and I just got this is like the powder, but the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazia highlighter. Both my favorite, and I'm taking both because, you know, you have to highlight. And like for eyeliner, I'm taking this one. I got it also from the Allure, and this is the RT kit. This is LA Splash lashes, not lashes, splash eyeliner. I got this from here. I think it's from Allure. This is very fucking pointy. Like I used it once, and I was like, oh shoot. I used to use the Kevyn D one, but I'm liking this one, and it's very, very, very affordable. So I am taking this one. I did get this little container for like little Q-tips, so I will be taking this to put like Q-tips, you know, just to, you know, clean up your makeup. For lipsticks, I'm not very on too much lipstick, so I will be taking my Fenty Beauty Glow Bomb lip gloss. This is Glow Bomb. Oh, Fenty Glow lip gloss. I use this 24/7, and I am gonna take my like original MAC Persistence lipstick, because these are my 2 go. And I probably will take this little lip liner because it kind of matches with what I'm gonna, the vibe that I'm bringing to the place I'm going to. Of course, you guys know my beauty blender, my mascara, my favorite one. I had to buy another one because, yeah. For eyebrows, you guys already know I'm bringing my Benefit brow pencil. This is like God in his hand, because I really don't need to buy any no concealers, because I just could bring this shit right here. And for blush, I will be taking the Tarte Party one because I love Tarte. I think I am gonna also bring my Glossier one with the little cream one, and I will be taking let's see, my concealer from Born This Way. For brushes, I mainly only gonna take 4 to 5 brushes. I'm not gonna do all that extravagant shit. And basically would be, I still haven't even taken him out. That's how crazy it is. So I will be taking my R1 brush. I think also this brush, my Y7 brush. I like the fluffier brushes, and my R2 brush. Now for eyeshadows, I will be getting these brushes right here. So I will be taking my E17 brush, which is one of the ones that I basically use all the time. My E23 brush, fluff it out, and I have the like black one that I'm like obsessed with. Like basically that's the one that I usually go to every single time, and I'm trying to find it within all my freaking brushes because I have like a whole entire storage. I can have a storage full of brushes. So I am taking my highlighter brush, which is my E61. This one is basic, and my two, I'm not taking these two. I don't know where the black one is. I think it's somewhere around here. It's somewhere around here. Like, found it. And this one is my M330 brush that I will be taking. I think I am going to be taking these two, my M441 and my M433 brushes. I'm not taking this. So that's what's basically I'm going to take for makeup. I'm not going to take too much stuff because really I doubt that I'm going to be doing like extravagant makeup because I'm going to be there to do work and not do work, but like relax and stuff. So that's basically it for, oh wait, for contour. I can't believe I forgot contour. I'm definitely taking my Shading Light palette by Kevyn because I do love shadow play a lot. Shadow play is my go-to one, and that's how I basically started doing makeup. So I'm taking that. That's about it for like makeup stuff. So if you want to, you can check out the next episode, which will be skincare. A lot of people love skincare, and I'm obsessed with skincare. You're gonna be surprised with what I bring for skincare. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell button in the right down there so you could be notified whenever I post videos. And yeah, comment if you still like this hairstyle. I'm about to take it off next week because it's already like long. Like when I tell you long, this is how long it is. Literally long. And it's like, this is the length of my freaking hair. Like literally it's the length of my hair. So I just add like attached to fake hair to it to make it a little bit more like thicken, but this is actually the length of my actual hair, literally. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and again I'll see you guys next time. Bye.